Hi beautiful people, welcome to Kate's Space, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to do a little quick flip through of these two little trifold tag journals, I guess you'd call them, or folios. They're finally finished. I've been on the struggle bus a little bit with I don't know, just creating. So these have been around for a while, and today I just thought I'm going to keep working on them until they're done. I mean, again, you could just keep adding things and adding things. They're mainly made up with the kit from Ruby and Pearl XO, and the kit is called Belle. I started these ages ago, and I have done a video making some of the tags. But anyway, let's flip through them. I thought you'd just maybe like to have a little look. Before I get started, I'd just like to say how are you all, and I hope you're well, coping in the heat wave or in the cold wherever you are in the world. I'd also just like to say some quick highs to some new subbies and some people who have touched base through comments. Diane, I think it's Irby, my writing again. Cynthia Smith from Dallas, Texas. Hi Cynthia, so nice to have you join us. Crafty as Shabby Shack. Jude, hi Jude, welcome to my channel. Just Jazz, hi Jazz from Herefordshire, England, who made herself a Junk Journal July journal and followed along in Junk Journal July. Hi Jazz. Dolly B, hi, and Sandra Louise. Denise S, hi Denise, thanks so much for all your lovely comments and just feedback on the videos. Margaret Pinsent, hi Margaret. Nicole Nelson, hi Nicole. Katrine Lieber, and of course Liz McGuire, who has a lovely Instagram channel called Buttons for Brains, so yeah, go check her out, Liz McGuire Buttons for Brains. Matilda Enland, hi Matilda. Hi Dagmar, thanks so much for all your lovely comments and support. Marnell from Mimi's Keepsakes, I'm pretty sure she's definitely on Instagram and also on YouTube, Mimi's Keepsakes and Woodland Inspired. Hi, thanks so much everybody, thanks for subscribing, and if you do, thanks for watching the videos. That's actually the most important bit. And also, if you're watching, hi Charlotte and Kimberly over in Texas as well. All right, let's get into it. So like I said, these are made following a Ruby and Pearl video, and also with one of her kits. I printed this kit out and really wanted to use it. So it's a trifold, and I've used this image on the front, I guess you'd say, with some old vintage lace. So when you open it up, there's a tag here, and that's made with images from the kit and a little wax seal on there, backed with images from the kit and some sort of chiffon ribbon. I decided I wanted to put some pages in, so I went through some of my mostly antique and vintage things. This is actually a New Zealand piece of ephemera from 1914. It's pretty fragile, but I think it's still got a bit of life in it, and yeah, it's pretty rare to find beautiful old New Zealand ephemera, so I've slipped that in. This is from a very old book, The Woman at Home, I think it's called, and I love the images. I thought they kind of matched the theme of the kit. This is a digital image, a little bit of a collage on this page. Slipped over this page is a little, just sort of a card booklet thing, made mostly with images from the kit. It was to go into one of the pockets, but I made it too wide and it doesn't fit, so I've just sort of slipped it over here. And here's some coffee dyed music paper, coffee dyed paper with some stenciling on that side, and yeah, there's the coffee dye there, quite grungy. Very old book page, some old sheet music, just some note paper, torn note paper. This is from the Girl's Own book, and it's an advert for the Girl's Own indoor book, and I didn't want to tear anything, so I've just folded it. And then the other side of all those pages, this is strengthened with some washi tape. This folds open, and that's the back of the beautiful New Zealand invoice. And then we get to the center of the trifold. In the front pocket I have a collage tag that I've made. There's just a mixture of things, some graphics fairy, little postcards, some old French ledger, some embossed. This piece has been lying around for ages and I keep wanting to put it somewhere. Finally I've stuck it down. That's the end of that. Something from the kit, an image from the kit, and some texture paste on some coffee dyed blue copy paper. And the next pocket up is a tag that I've made mostly with images from the kit and backed with some, that's a digital as well, of some old French sort of document. And in the very back, it doesn't go very far down because I glued it here because I didn't want to have to make a huge long tag. And then I just thought, actually, I think I'm just going to pop some beautiful papers from the Girl's Own book that I've got. And these are some of the fashion pages that they include. And I just thought someone might enjoy that. I'm going to pop these in my Etsy shop. I'm not sure if anyone would be interested in them, but yeah, I thought I might pop them in and see. So there we go, those just slip in there. Tried to make it so they weren't too awkward to slip in and out. And in this one I decided to put this little faux French letter, and in here I have put a dried rose, pressed rose. Now I'm not going to open it up. I've wrapped it in some really old glassine sort of paper that you find in like an old stamp album or photo album. It's a dried white or cream rose. I can't guarantee that won't fall apart, but it's kind of cool in the letter. I thought it was neat in the old letter that I've aged, and that's a digital as well from Ruby and Pearlxo. So one of those old French envelopes that you fold, and then that closes over and there. So pretty simple, just a little journal that you can do some journaling in, or I don't know, you could take it apart and use it elsewhere in your arts and crafts. The other one's the same but different, so I used this beautiful image on the outside, just gorgeous, love it so much. And then some of this old lace that I'm slowly working my way through. I thought actually this was the end, but I've still got another little piece. This one's different. The pages are on this side, so you go in, and I've enclosed an old New Zealand 1940s envelope, and in there is an old postcard, some little children on there. I don't think there's a date. Oh, there probably is, but I haven't really paid much attention to it. It's cute anyway, so. And also in here is a tag. Again, this is probably the same collage that the other one is. This is I made a big long collage out of some of my scraps. So there's vintage music, ledger, a little bit of the digital print there, some old linen just tied in a bow and attached there. I just love that. And some more of the lace. And on the back is some French ledger or calendar, which is a digital. Let's just, there we go. And here's another tag or journaling card with this beautiful image and a little wax seal. And on the back I've just left that really plain for writing on. And oh, I might leave that out actually, it's easier to get these out if you do that. Another tag here, another image from the kit, and that's backed onto some coffee dyed manila folder. And then in the back again some more from the girls own manual, a fashion page from that. Girls Own paper is what it's called, yeah. And I've actually just slipped that over the top there into there like that. And it goes behind these things. And then some French book page with some stenciling, an old insurance, I don't know, receipt or something from the 40s, a little bit of book page, some old French ledger. I'm not sure what the date is on that. And then this beautiful image here that flips out, and I've lined that with some beautiful imagery from the Girls Own paper, some old note paper, another image from the Girls Own paper which I've put in the center, some old sellotape there reused. This one flips out as well, and another image from the kit with some old 1906 ledger. Here's the other side of that French ledger. I don't know if it's got a date on it. Anyway, I think it might be the 1930s. Another tag that I've made with some ruby and pearl images. And that's the end of that one. And then tucked in the back pocket is a little calendar type image that I've turned into just a little booklet. And that all closes up. Well, it does when you've got the tags in the right place, which I'm not going to do now because that will just take too long. Yeah, so those are two little booklets. I'm going to pop them in my Etsy store. What day are we today? Thursday. Probably this weekend. And yeah, see if anyone wants to purchase them. I hope you enjoyed looking at those, and I did really enjoy making them, although I did start off with a hiss and a roar and then kind of sort of puttered out. But they are done, and that is good. I can pop them aside now and get on with some of these other projects I've got on the go. I've got quite a few things on the go, and I think that might be, sometimes I don't work so well when I've got lots of things on the go. Again, I hope you're all well, and thanks so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you again soon in the next video. Bye.